In this video, I'm going to show you how to make button border thicker on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and find the button that you want to work on. In this case, I want to work on this Add Now button right here. So what I want you to do is to click on the button that you want to work on, and a bunch of different options are going to pop up right above it. The next thing you want to do is click on Design and then click on Customize Design at the bottom here. Then, since we're working on the border, click on a border right here. And if your color is the same as the color of the button itself, you want to change it so it stands out a little bit. So I'm going to change this one to white, just like this. And as you can see down here, the width currently is on maximum, so you don't want to have this. If you want your border to be a little bit thicker, you can change it to 3, a maximum of 4, so it doesn't look too overwhelmingly thick. But of course, that is your own personal preference right here. So if I just go ahead and preview the website now, you will see that my border of the button is now thicker. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make button border thicker on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.